Hello. I am reviewing cable clip from Omni Cable Management and Cord Organizer multicolor. There just went one of them. Because the back of the packaging was clear and in the trash, I will show you. Well, this is what the front looked like, and then the back looks like that. You get 2 orange, 2 green, and you get 2 pink, but I have one already stuck to the desk. It holds all kinds of cables or cords or wires. Let's see, this one's a little bit bigger. They are made out of oh my goodness, I can't talk. They're made of environment-friendly silicone. It's a long-lasting plastic. Since it's eco-friendly, it feels like those old rubber grippers that you would put around your pencils when we were kids, depending on your age, I guess. There's a sticker on there, and it comes off, and then it's really sticky. I haven't decided what to put on mine yet, so I'm not going to take off the backing. It says that it can hold a cable less than 6 millimeters and smaller, and it goes on any flat surface. Let's see if there's anything else. Right, the cable's not exceeding a 6 millimeter diameter. I know that some of them you can get black, but I like the colored ones. Just a preference. So that's just about it. For 3 of them, for 6 of them, it was $3.89, so that's a really good price. So thanks for watching, and feel free to like and subscribe.